Hi, good evening, everyone. First, apologies for not being able to upload the daily view last Friday. Fridays are generally a bit busy for me, but let's extend from where we left out last Thursday. And what do we have today? We have a big 2% move on the Nifty, 229 points. Not bad. Thursday, our call was we've got a setup and a move above 10,175. You should be cutting your shots. We might get a move up. Friday, it actually tested 10,175 and went till 10,177 and gave a move down towards 10,054. Now, disclosures, we went long. We gave a long trade to our Alphabets Pro clients above 10,175 with a 10K stop loss. We held on to it over the weekend and we are in the money right now. So we've in the money by 110 points, and what I anticipated is so far so good, playing out pretty good. So what's in store? To understand what's in store, let's drill down to a slightly smaller time frame. From daily, I come down to the 75. I see that my moving averages have turned up, so we are inching towards a trend reversal on the 75-minute time frame. Indicators are going at the overbought zone, so we might face a bit of ease off after the kind of 200 points move, 200 close to 250 points move from the day's low that we've seen in today's trade. Let's drill down slightly further and look at the 15-minute chart, and what we have is a nice wave or legs move on the upside, and I don't see any sign of cautious. My RSI seems to be all right. It's not suggesting anything to worry about. So if you ask me about our position that we have, I'll be closely watching the supports of 10, 220, 230. This is essentially the zone I'm talking about. I'm okay if it comes down here, but I expect that the 10,300 will be tested and would be taken out again soon. And if it does so, I might get a little bit further move. The setup on the basis of which I anticipated a move, that setup is suggesting a target of 10,350. But my feeling is there was a lot of pessimism built up over the last week and a half, and obviously there will be many shorts in the system. If that is the case, and if I don't see any intraday dip over the next 2 days, then this can lead to a further bigger move towards that 10,500. Too early to say because we are bucking the trend, but good to see that the market is actually acting based upon what we anticipated, and the basis of this is just pure price and relative strength index. That's the core of our trades. Talking about trades, I would definitely love to share a trade that we did today for our intraday clients, and that was LIC Housing. We had a beautiful inside bar. I have been repetitive saying that for our intraday clients, we generally stick to the powerful inside bar strategy. And it was a funny day because we went short, and this is what I have learned over the last few years is that you anticipate a move from the market, and the market essentially does that, and you get into a trade. Now, it has happened with me personally. You can leave your feedback, you can leave what your experience has been. So my experience has been is that if I have to make money out of that trade, it essentially comes immediately. And if the market just teases and tests my level and just bounces back and goes out of the money immediately, then there's a high chance, there's a high tendency that that trade is probably going to go wrong. That's exactly what I noticed with our early short position in LIC. We went short, but within the next 5 to 10 minutes, I realized that this move is not panning out the way we anticipated. So I cut it out within just a point and a half or 2 points loss. And then we went reverse. That is, once it took out 410 on the upside, that was last Friday's high, we got a big move. This was the kind of move that LIC actually gave us. We went long around 410, which was down here. and yes, it paid off. So thanks to the market and thanks to the discipline and thanks to the plan that we had, this had been another successful trade for our Alphabet's intra clients. Looking forward to the anticipation of the market. Look, how can I forget Bank Nifty? Let's quickly take a look on that. Take a look at that. So Bank Nifty playing off really well. If you recall, we've been repetitively saying that the Bank Nifty is relatively stronger than the Nifty. However, it was a pretty mixed day for the banks. I saw ICICI Bank leading all the way up with that 11-12% move up, SBI supporting. But then there was HDFC Bank, there was IndusInd Bank, and I guess there was Yes Bank, if I'm not mistaken, which actually closed down. So going back to the Bank Nifty, bouncing back from supports yet again, but I don't have the kind of setup which I did notice in Nifty. So I'm more bullish on the Nifty right now, and Bank Nifty being a mixed space with the top three going up and the other three coming down. I would rather wait for a swing trade in the shorter time frames like the 15-minute or the 75-minute. If I get a swing trade on the long side, I might take it tomorrow or day after, but view cautiously bullish. 10,300 likely to be tested again. Pinch of salt. We saw a move of 10,300 in today's trade Nifty future. Tomorrow, if it breaks 10,300 and it slips down again immediately, take the profits of your long trade. Look for shorts. I would like to see the index sustaining above 10,300. In that case, 10,350 or further up will not be a problem at all, because I think the shorts will fuel the move on the upside. Till then, back with the daily market analysis. Thanks for sharing your feedback, and please, if you want me to cover something, please give me your suggestions. Links to Alphabet's Intra, Alphabet's Pro, and my Mentorship Pro program are all given in the description as you had asked me to. Till then, trade well, trade wise.